In my last video, someone asked, can you make a context menu editor for Windows 11? I like Windows 11 context menu, just want a feature to add or remove menu items from default context menu of Windows 11. And I said, I can definitely give it a try, but now I don't think I need to make a Windows 11 context menu editor app by myself because Microsoft is doing it themselves. Check this Twitter post by Marcus Ash from Microsoft, working on making context menus faster and simpler by default, configurable to what you use most. More will be shared on our approach soon. They're basically saying that they're going to make Windows 11 context menu customizable. Basically, you'll be able to add or remove items from the Windows 11 right-click menu. Almost everybody hates Windows 11's right-click menu. Even I don't use it. I actually use classic right-click menu. Windows 11's right-click menu looks amazing. It matches with its design, but the problem is to access more options, you always have to click on show more options, and then you'll get more options, which loads a classic right-click menu. And on top of that, we now have two right-click menus. So since almost every time we have to click on show more options, why not just use a classic right-click menu? So that's what I actually use. So I actually use a Windhoek and a mod inside called classic right-click menu on Windows 11. I just turn this on. If I turn it off, you can see this is the new Windows 11 right-click menu. So instead of just always clicking on show more option, I just use the classic right-click menu. No issues. But again, the only problem is that it doesn't look good. So getting a better and customizable right-click menu on Windows 11 is going to be a huge thing because it just simply sucks. Okay, nobody wants to use it. Recently, Microsoft has promised that they're going to make Windows 11 better and faster, and they have already made some big changes to Windows 11 test builds. You can now customize taskbar and start menu. You can have taskbar to different places like top, left, right, bottom. You can also customize the start menu, make it small and turn off almost everything and have a empty start menu. And under the hood, they are also making some big changes. They are going full on native UI for all Windows components. These customizations are already huge. I did a video just recently, and now we are getting a right-click menu customizer. That's also huge. I'm just going to say it again. Yeah, this time Microsoft is actually putting some effort to make Windows 11 better and win users' trust. I feel like they are not joking around this time. Now, we do have some third-party options already available. One of the most popular one is Soft Shell. It's a free and open source context menu manager. Let's actually download this and try this out. I used to use this software, but just recently I stopped using it because this also has a problem. After installing it, you can see context menus still remains quite modern. It's not complete Windows-like modern, but it still looks good. Now, there is no show more option, but there are way too many options now. Now, it's not like you can't customize it. You can customize it. The problem is it doesn't have a GUI. So you'll have to edit a code or CSS of this file, which is not user-friendly. If you don't know or just don't want to edit a configuration file, then you'll just have to stick with default. You get some additional features like take ownership, show hide system files, file extension names within the context menu, but it's still not under one click. Let's just say you have to go through multiple options to get some of these options out. Now, I also found some other applications which lets you customize the right-click menu. Most of them are either paid or just don't work with the Windows 11's right-click menu. Like for example, this one on Microsoft Store, it's called Context Cleaner, right-click menu editor and manager, and it costs almost $8. I don't know if this works or not. Looking at the screenshots, it looks like it works. Okay, it looks modern and all that. You just simply toggle the options on and off, but I haven't tested this because it costs money. And another one, custom context menu. This one has a GUI, but it still doesn't feel right. You still have to enter the path, name, order, everything manually. Now we have some really popular right-click menu customizers. One of them is called Context Menu Manager, available on GitHub, but it was last updated back in 2021. And this thing just doesn't work with the new Windows 11's right-click menu. It only works with the classic right-click menu. Yeah, if you're on Windows 10, it's good, but if you're on Windows 11, this is basically useless unless you use the classic right-click menu. And lastly, we have this one, Easy Context Menu version 1.6. It's the most popular software out there to customize the right-click menu. I think it has been around since the Windows 7 era. It is so simple and easy to use. You just simply check and uncheck the options. And you can also add additional features to the right-click menu, like delete temporary files or add a registry editor. You can almost add anything to it. But the problem with this software is that it's also old, and this was last updated back in 2015. Now, since Microsoft is making a customizable right-click menu for Windows 11, which is again huge in my opinion, they have already made the taskbar and start menu customizable. You can actually try them out right now in test builds of Windows 11, which in my opinion was kind of unexpected from Microsoft, but they actually delivered it. I'm hoping it to be something simpler and easy to use. You simply add or remove things or check or uncheck things, just like we can do it in the software Easy Context Menu. Slowly, we are getting more choices. Windows isn't the only operating system in the world. Okay, there is even a Android OS coming from the Google. So, if Microsoft doesn't make Windows better, we just simply gonna switch to different option. We don't have to stick with Windows anymore. Not right now, immediately, but slowly. It's happening. I've started doing a Linux and Windows dual boot. I have already tried Ubuntu and CachyOS, and I'm actually amazed how well Linux works these days. So maybe that could be the main reason why Microsoft is actually putting so much effort on making Windows 11 more customizable and better. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about all the new changes Microsoft is doing with the Windows 11? We can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.